Cholesterol deposit spots around the eyes are also known as xanthelasma. They are bumps of fat that develop underneath the skin, usually in the inner corner of the upper eyelid. The main cause of xanthelasma is high level of LDL cholesterol in the body. Other causes include liver disease, genetic factor, and diabetes. People that are aged 40 to 60-year-old have diabetes or have high cholesterol are at a higher risk of developing this problem than others. This problem doesn't cause itchiness or irritation, but it could cause some vision problem if the bump has grown large enough. Because the affected area is usually near the eyes, surgery is not a best treatment plan. So let's see some natural ways to get rid of cholesterol deposit around your eyes. 1. Garlic. Garlic, when used externally or ingested, can help flatten fat bumps or even get rid of them completely. Garlic is a natural powerful remedy to reduce cholesterol levels when taken raw regularly. Make sure you take at least 2 raw garlic every day with water. To apply topically, crush 1 clove of garlic into a paste and apply it to the affected area for 10 to 15 minutes at least twice a day. 2. Castor oil. Castor oil is another effective remedy to shrink or minimize the appearance of xanthelasma. It contains resinolic acid that shows efficiently in flattening the cholesterol bumps. You can apply a cotton ball soaked in cold pressed pure castor oil on the affected eyelid for overnight or at least 15 minutes twice a week. 3. Apple cider vinegar. If the cause for cholesterol deposit bumps around your eyes is high cholesterol level in your blood, then apple cider vinegar is the best remedy. It helps to reduce LDL cholesterol levels by liquefying it and aiding the liver eliminating the cholesterol out of the body. Soak a cotton ball in apple cider vinegar and keep it in a place using a tap or bandage for 2 hours and rinse with warm water. If your skin is sensitive, dilute the apple cider vinegar before applying onto the skin. 4. Banana peel. To remove the fat bumps around your eyes in a natural and safe way, banana peels are effective and free from side effects. The antioxidant and enzyme in banana peels help to dissolve the cholesterol deposit under the skin. Cut a small piece of banana peel in the size of the fat deposit and place it on the affected area and secure it with a tap or bandage overnight. And in the morning, rinse it with warm water. If you like our video, please give us thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you.